Hello everybody, this is Properties of Triangle exercise 15b from R.S. Agarwal book. In this video, I discussed about the sums from exercise 15b. Here, the property is used, the triangle, this is the triangle, exterior angle equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. This property will be used here for each and every sums. So, suppose this is x, so x equal to, this is y and this is z, so x degree equal to y degree plus z degree. That means the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior two opposite angle. This property will be used here. So let's start the sum. Question number 3. Here I have already drawn the figure. Find the value of x and y. This is the figure. Here the exterior angle, that means the angle is formed in the outside of the triangle, that is exterior angle. So this is 65 degree exterior angle and the interior angles are 32 degree, x degree and y degree. So I have to find out x degree and y degree. So let's see it. First of all, I use that property, that is the exterior angle. We know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. That means here angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. So I have to put now here, I will put here now the values of angle ACD, that is 65 degree, angle ABC equal to x degree plus angle BAC equal to 32 degree. So here I fixed here x and this will go in the opposite side of the equal to sign, that means 65 minus 32. That means by reversing I am writing here x equal to, after subtracting I will get 3 and 3, that means 33 degree. Therefore x equal to 33 degree. Then I will find out y, the value of y. That is how to find out. This is linear pair. That means the sum of this and this angle is 180 degree. So by using that property I will find out that one. So y degree plus 65 degree equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair. Then y degree equal to 180 minus 65. That means 115 degree. Therefore, the value of x equal is 33 and y is 115. Now question number 4. An exterior angle of a triangle measures 110 degree. That means this is 110 degree. And its interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of the triangle. So here this ratio 2:3. So common ratio we have to take x. Let common ratio bx. So interior angles are 2x, 3x degree. So this is 2x and this is 3x. So now we know that the exterior angle equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. That means two x plus 3x equal to exterior angle. That means implies 5x equal to 110, x equal to 110 by 5. That means 5 to 10, 5 to 10, so x equal to 22. Therefore, the interior angles are 2 into 22, that means 44 degree, and 3 into 22, that means 66 degree. These are the interior angles. So these are the interior angles, 44 degree and 66 degree. So I will find out the third angle of the triangle, that means this one. So therefore the third angle of the triangle equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. That means linear pair. That property will be used here, and this is 70 degree. So three angles are 44 degree, 66 degree and 70 degree. Now question number 5. An exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree and its interior opposite angles are equal to each other. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. Okay. Then triangle I have drawn. Here exterior angle is 100 degree. Here exterior angle is 100 degree and interior each angles are equal to each other. That means x. Both are x. So let each interior opposite angle be x degree and x degree. X degree and x degree. Then we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. That means x degree plus x degree I will not give here, equal to 100. That means 2x equal to 100, x equal to 100 by 2, that means 50. So x equal to 50. So interior two angles, opposite two angles are 50 degree and 50 degree. Then the third angle, what will be? This angle, what will be? Therefore, interior opposite angles are 50 degree and 50 degree. Third angle equal to 180, because this is linear pair. 180 minus 100 degree, that means 80 degree. Reason, linear pair therefore all the angles of the triangle be 50 degree, 50 degree, 80 degree. Now question number 7. Find angle ACD, angle ADC and angle DAE. This is the figure. ACD means this one angle, ADC means this one angle, and DAE means this one angle. So we have to find out these three angles. First, number 1, angle ACD, that we can find out by linear pair. This is 180 degree. So angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. So ACB means 100 degree plus angle ACD equal to 180, that means angle ACD equal to 180 minus 100, that means 80 degree. We can give here 80 degree. Now number 2, angle ADC. Angle ADC means this one angle. So by angle sum property of the triangle we can get this one. So angle ACD plus angle CAD plus angle ADC equal to 180 degree. Reason, the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then we can put the values. ACD means ACD, that is 80 degree, plus CAD, that means 50 degree, plus angle ADC equal to 180, implies angle ADC equal to 180 minus 80 plus 50, that means 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. Now the third part of this question, that is DAE. Angle DAE we have to find out. Angle DAE means this one. So its opposite two angles are, this is angle DAE. So here ABC triangle, if AB will be produced to E, then the interior angles are angle B and this one angle BCA and this one angle. But the exterior angle is this one. This is the exterior angle and this is the opposite to interior angles, 40 degree and 100 degree. So let's find out CAE angle. So angle, this is question number 3. CAE equal to angle ABC plus angle ACB. Reason will be exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Let's put the value. Angle CAE equal to 40 degree plus 100 degree, that is 140 degree. But here angle CAE equal to angle CAD plus angle DAE. That means this angle plus this angle, CAD. So CAD angle's value is given, that is 50 degree. This is we have to find out DAE and this value is 140 degree. So angle DAE equal to, we will find out now, 140, this 50 will come this side, equal to angle DAE. So angle DAE equal to 90 degree. Therefore, number 1, angle ACD equal to 80 degree. Number 2, angle ADC equal to 50 degree. Number 3, angle DAE equal to 90 degree. Now question number 8. Here x is to y equal to 2 is to 3, angle ACD equal to 130 degree, and find the values of x, y and z. So 3 angles are unknown, we have to find out this. So first I will find out z, the value of z. Angle ACB equal to, ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. ACB means z degree plus 130 degree equal to 180 degree. So z degree equal to 180 minus 130, that means 50 degree. Degree we can give or not, no need to give. Degree no need to give. In the first line that is okay, but from next line we no need to give the degrees. Now Then exterior interior property we can use here, because x and y, that values are given, values not given, ratio is given 2:3. That means common ratio we have to take here. Let the common ratio be A. So x equal to 2a, y equal to 3a. Now x plus y equal to angle ACD, because that property, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. That means x equal to here 2a plus 3a equal to 130 degree. Degree I will not write, just a value I have written here. So 5a equal to 130, a equal to 130 by 5. That means 5 2 is 10, 5 6 is 30. So a equal to 26. Therefore x equal to x equal to 2 into 26. That means this one. Y equal to 3a, that means 3 into 26. That means 78. So therefore all angles are 52 degree, 78 degree and z equal to 50 degree. X equal to 52, y equal to 78 and z equal to 50 degree.